Hi everyone, I'm so glad to see you back. Today we're visiting unique detailing here in Klaipėda, and why we're here I will show you very shortly. Here we have this Porsche in grey color, which we will cover entire car in paint protection film. Already Arnoldus is working on it, trimming, focusing on quality. And yes, this car will receive full coverage. Yeah. As well, we have a Volvo just at the front of me. And I'm wrapping this front grille in gloss black. This grille was silver and we're doing it in gloss black. Volvo front grille is done, and now I will install paint protection film on this rear doors. Material is ready. I will use this piece of film. Let's do it. So guys, Porsche is almost finished. Today we managed to install paint protection film on both sides and a few more panels on the back. Front was done yesterday, and tomorrow we need to wrap only rear bumper and few tiny panels. Can't wait to finish it. See you tomorrow. It is so difficult to vlog here in Lithuania because outside pretty much every single day is snowing or raining. Even now we just left the workshop and outside is just kind of raining, snowing, and car is frozen. Yeah. Look, all my front windshield is frozen. I can't film from outside because my camera will be frozen as well. Yeah. Okay, what we can do? Let's wait. Yes, battery is empty. What we can do? Today we're not only wrapping car in paint protection film, but we're laying some graphics as well. Look at this, Alexei.
Я не понимаю по-English.
По-English не понимаешь.
My name is Table.
Alexei's name is Table, as you know. And yeah. All what we're left to do on this Porsche is to wrap rear bumper. Let's do that. Porsche Cayenne is shiny and almost finished. All what left to do, I still need to install these two tiny panels on carbon fiber parts. They will go just here on this part. And after I will finish this car, we will start working on Porsche Macan GTS. Just look at it. Very beautiful color. Dark red, almost burgundy color. And as I guess, it is black edition. Don't work too hard, my friend. Gray Cayenne already left, and now we have this red burgundy Macan to do. Arnold is already removing door cards because this time we have permit from customer to remove mirrors, handles, because he don't want to have any joints behind the mirror. Some panels we'll install using templates, and other panels will do bulk, just for more coverage and cleaner finish. We had a very productive day today. Entire side is finished, front bumper is finished, still need to do bonnet, and this side is almost finished as well. Arnold is just finishing trimming and it's gonna be done. If you are in wrap industry, probably you know this bonnet. It's super difficult to wrap it. Probably it's the best to use a wider film, 1.8 meters, but we don't have it. We're gonna use 1.5 meter standard PPF film, and we will try to make it. So guys, as you see, Macan is finished as well, and now entire body is covered using paint protection film. All what left to do just to clean it and deliver to customer. Thank you for watching, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and I will see you next time.